Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to make this amazing text typography in PowerPoint? Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below. So first of all, you're gonna go to Insert tab and Pictures, and from here from your device we're gonna insert an image for the background. We're gonna give it a ratio of 16:9 from aspect ratio option in crop tab, and we're gonna cover the entire slide with the image. Duplicate it and then put it again onto the slide. We're gonna insert a freeform shape and we're gonna trace out these buildings using this shape, and it is really free and easy to use, and you can cut out the remaining image that you have traced from the image, and the other part out of the tracing section would be deducted using merge options. So very carefully we're just gonna trace the edges of the buildings to make sure that we don't make any other pattern other than the like the buildings, like their pattern and their rooftops and their side structure. So it may take a while because it is a real difficult process, but if you use it more nicely and more carefully, you may end up making a really great shape. So this is just perfect. Select the image and then the shape and click on merge options, and then you're gonna click on intersect. So this is what we made. Let's just put it back. We're gonna insert a text box on top in which we're gonna write our subtitle or the smaller title, which is just gonna be a small headline, and we're gonna change its font to down pen, and here you go. Let's change its color to white as well. We're gonna insert another text box and increase its size. This is gonna be our main header. Give it middle alignment and change its fonts. You can use Arial Black or you can use other fonts if you want. We're gonna just increase its size and give it middle alignment and then put it in the middle of our slide. Now let's send it to the back and send the picture to the back as well. Let's just move it because from that left bottom section of the traced out buildings we can see some part of this text, so I don't want that text to be seen, so I'll just move it upwards. This looks just perfect. Next, what we're gonna do is insert the content text. It will include everything about the buildings, the image, and Miami, and the life of Miami, and everything else. Let me tell you that you can free download this template from a link in the description below. As you click on the link, you'll be directed to a Drive file, and when you click on the Drive file, you'll be directed to Google Slides, and from the View option, you can click on Download, and when it is downloaded, you can find zipped file in your file explorer, and from there you can extract the file, and then you can add it, open up the template, and you can then add it in PowerPoint. So stop asking me for the request to edit it. So by downloading it, you can easily edit it. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.